Welcome back to Roundtail Restoration, everybody. Finally, my name is Chris. This is the frame to my 1964 Triumph TR4 that I'm restoring. Behind me is a cherry picker that I'm going to be using to put the body back on. So that's going to be in the video today. Why am I putting the body back on when I haven't done any work since right before Christmas, you ask? Well, there's a story there, and I'll get right to it. But for now, thanks for watching. Let's get it sorted. Well, the body's on. Probably not the best way to do that, but it worked. I don't think I scratched anything or damaged anything anyway. Looks good though. If you have been around for my channel for a while, you know that back in 2014, I retired from the U.S. Navy after 20 plus years of service. Went right into a defense contractor, building submarines, continuing to build submarines for the United States Navy, and served in various capacities doing that. And also, if you may remember, last September, I went to Goodwood Revival. I put some shorts up, met a very nice gentleman from Northern Ireland. He recognized me from my channel and had a nice conversation. So literally the day I got back from that trip, a buddy of mine calls me and says, "Hey, are you still interested in taking a job in the United Kingdom?" And I said yes. So after a couple interviews, I was lucky enough to be selected to go over to England to help their submarine shipbuilder build their submarines. So it's a kind of a temporary but long-term exchange program, and I'm going to be going over there and helping His Majesty's Royal Navy put to sea some of their nuclear-powered submarines. So very excited. Obviously, a huge lifestyle change, huge channel change. I don't really know what I'm going to do. I'll try to do something. I've been in discussion with another gentleman who's frankly already offered to give me a Spitfire on loan. So we're not so sure about that yet, but maybe that's something I can look into. Obviously, a whole bunch of stuff to learn, not to mention driving on the other side of the road and all the adventures and everything that await me and my family as we go over there and enjoy this facet of our life. So if you are one of my UK, Ireland, Scotland, whatever subscribers, Wales, reach out. You can email me at roundtailrestoration66@gmail.com or leave a comment below. And, I would like to get involved in clubs and whatever else is going on over there and see what the community is like. So thanks again. Big news, and I'll keep you guys informed. But otherwise, thanks for watching. Have a good rest of your day. Cheers.